Hello, let's take a look at your LT2 assignment. And first thing is don't forget your name. Can't give you credit if you don't put your name on it. Do the first 12 questions on the assignment. They're going to be in Alex, so I would suggest you do those before you do the paper, although I don't think it really matters. On question number 14, we want to find the area of that pennant. Now remember, the formula for area is 1/2 times base times height. Well, in this case, notice my base is x. I'm going to multiply that by 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. So I'm going to distribute my 1/2 x to each term. So half of 2 is 1. X times x squared is x cubed. And notice I probably could stop right there because my answer is going to be A because it's the only one that has x cubed in it. But let's finish this up anyway. And then half of 3 would be 1.5. And that x times x is x squared. Half of 6 would be 3x. And notice that corresponds to letter A. Now in question 15, which expression represents the number of square units of fabric Kate needs to make all the pennants? Well, if we go back up here and read our information, she's going to make 30 pennants, isn't she? So we're just going to take 30 times our answer from letter A, or 14 I should say, or letter A, x cubed, plus 1.5 x squared, plus 3x. So if I take 30, I'll get 30x cubed. And since it's multiple choice, notice the only choice I have with 30x cubed is choice H. But we'll multiply those together anyway. 30 times 1.5 is 45x squared. 30 times 3 is 90x, so that works out exactly what the question says. Now on question 16, it says they asked to make 30 large pennants and hang in the city sports. If the pennants have a base of 2 meters, what's the area of the large pennants? Well, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to replace 2 with x, because my base is 2, isn't it? And I think the easiest way, okay, so the base has 2. I'm just saying we only need to do the first pennant then, don't we? So I'm going to go, the area is going to be, I'm going to use my answer from 14. So I'm going to go 2 cubed plus 1.5 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2. Well, 2 cubed is 8. 2 squared, I'm going to do my exponent first, that's 4. If I take 3 times 2, I get 6. Now, I haven't multiplied 1.5 times 4 yet, so let's do that. 1.5 times 4 will be 6, won't it? 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So the area of, and I do believe we measured in meters, but let's go back and double check that. No, 2 meters. That's where I got that from. Got it from right here in the problem. So my area is in square meters. Now, what should the total area of fabric be if she makes 30 of those? Well, I'm going to take the area of one of those, which is 20. I'm going to multiply it by 30, and I'll get 600 square meters. And there's your answer. I think I'm going to do number 18 because that goes with this first problem. So if the fabric costs $10 for every square meter, what's the total cost of fabric she's going to need for the pennant? So we're going to take 600 square meters. Multiply that by $10 for every square meter. Notice my meters go boom, boom. They reduce out. I just take 600 times 10. It'll be $6,000 to make those 30 pennants. Not cheap, is it? But they also have a lot of area, so that makes sense too.